I bought and tested these essential oils, so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. As someone who's been managing high blood pressure, I know how important it is to find natural remedies that truly work. Let me share my experiences with the top 5 essential oils that made a difference for me. Product number 1, Majestic Pure Lemon Essential Oil. When I first cracked open the bottle of Majestic Pure Lemon Essential Oil, the vibrant citrus aroma instantly filled my space. I was pleasantly surprised by how pure and potent the fragrance was, unlike some oils that can be diluted or artificial. I decided to incorporate this oil into my daily routine, using it in my diffuser during my morning meditation and whenever I felt a bit of stress creeping in. The uplifting scent not only invigorated my senses, but also seemed to help lower my anxiety levels, which is crucial for managing blood pressure. In terms of pros, the Majestic Pure Lemon Oil is 100% pure and natural, which means there are no additives or fillers. The amber glass bottle is not just aesthetically pleasing, it protects the oil from UV rays, preserving its quality. The built-in dropper also makes it easy to dispense exactly what you need without any waste. However, I did notice that while the scent is refreshing, it can be a bit overpowering if used in large amounts. So why should you consider buying this lemon essential oil? If you're looking for a natural way to lift your mood and potentially help lower your blood pressure, this oil can be a fantastic addition to your wellness toolkit. With over 9,000 units sold in just 1 month, it's clear that many people are finding value in this product, and now I can see why. Product number 2, Eternal Essence Oils Dragon's Blood. I was intrigued when I stumbled upon the Eternal Essence Oils Dragon's Blood fragrance oil. The name alone piqued my curiosity, and the rich, complex aroma that wafted from the bottle was nothing short of enchanting. I decided to use it in a diffuser blend that included lavender and bergamot. The combination created a soothing atmosphere that felt like a warm embrace, helping me unwind after a long day and potentially easing my blood pressure concerns. The pros of this oil are numerous. First off, its versatility means you can use it in various applications, from homemade candles to skincare products. The scent profile is a warm blend of ambers, woods, and floral notes, offering a unique experience every time you breathe it in. However, I did find that the scent can be a bit too sweet for some, and it may not blend well with every essential oil. So why buy this particular fragrance oil? If you enjoy crafting your own products or simply want to elevate your space with a rich, soothing aroma, Eternal Essence's Dragon's Blood is a fantastic choice. Plus, with its affordable price point, it's an accessible option for anyone looking to enhance their home environment while possibly aiding in stress relief. Product number 3, Mayjam Dragon's Blood Fragrance Oils. As a fan of unique scents, I was excited to try the Mayjam Dragon's Blood fragrance oil. Upon opening the bottle, I was greeted by a heady blend of sweet, spicy, and earthy notes that felt almost mystical. I decided to use it in my homemade bath bomb recipe, and the results were spectacular. The entire bathroom filled with a delightful aroma that turned my bath into a relaxing sanctuary. What stands out about this oil is its highly concentrated formula, which ensures a long-lasting scent. The thoughtful design of the packaging, including the premium quality dropper, made it easy to measure out the perfect amount for my DIY projects. However, some might find the scent a bit too intense if used excessively, so a little goes a long way. So, why should you consider this fragrance oil? If you're into crafting or simply want to enjoy a unique scent that promotes relaxation, Mayjam's Dragon's Blood is an excellent pick. With its elegant packaging, it also makes for a thoughtful gift for anyone who appreciates aromatherapy and DIY projects. Product number 4, Eden's Garden Bergamot Essential Oil. The Eden's Garden Bergamot Essential Oil quickly became one of my favorites. The sweet and refreshing scent was incredibly uplifting the moment I added it to my diffuser. I found that it not only helped to elevate my mood, but also created a calming environment that was perfect for meditation and deep breathing exercises, both of which are essential for managing high blood pressure. One of the standout features of this oil is its versatility. You can diffuse it, mix it with a carrier oil for topical use, or even add it to your skincare routine for its reputed anti-acne benefits. It blends perfectly with floral oils like lavender and rose, creating a harmonious aroma that promotes relaxation. On the downside, the price point is slightly higher than some other options, but the quality is undeniably superior. Why should you invest in this essential oil? If you're looking for a high-quality, versatile oil that can enhance your wellness journey, Eden's Garden Bergamot is a worthy addition. With the assurance of third-party testing and a commitment to quality, you're getting a product that not only smells good, but also supports your health.
Product number 5. Plant Guru Blood Orange Essential Oil. Finally, I tried the Plant Guru Blood Orange Essential Oil, and it was a game changer for my relaxation routine. The vibrant citrus scent is not just refreshing, it has a way of instantly brightening your day. I incorporated it into my evening ritual by adding a few drops to my diffuser while reading a book. The result? A calming yet invigorating atmosphere that made it easier to unwind and de-stress. This oil is 100% pure and undiluted, which means you're getting the full therapeutic benefits without any additives. The amber glass packaging ensures that the oil stays potent for longer, which is a huge plus. However, if you're sensitive to citrus scents, this may be a bit strong for you. Why buy Plant Guru's Blood Orange Essential Oil? If you want an essential oil that not only helps with relaxation, but also uplifts your mood, this is the one for you. It's a great addition to any aromatherapy routine, especially for those looking to manage stress and support their blood pressure naturally.